Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of reading. So your learning target today is I can understand the genre nonfiction, and I can learn to monitor comprehension and adjust reading rate. I can apply word knowledge to the reading of a text. All right, so you're going to listen and follow along while I read pages 106 to 125. And our story for the week is Plants Can't Jump. All right, so nonfiction. Nonfiction tells about things that are real and often has photographs, okay? So we know that fiction is make-believe and nonfiction gives true information. So this selection, it rhymes like a poem, but it also is filled with facts or bits of true information about plants. So what we're gonna do is that if this is a KWL chart, so we have K is what I know, what I want, and then you have W, what I want to know, and then what I learned for L. All right, so maybe you know some already things about plants. So I put plants need water. And then for our second column, I wrote down questions about plants. So maybe you have a question about where do plants live? Do plants have flowers? And do bugs eat plants? Now, after we're done reading, we will fill in the what I learned. All right, so your comprehension strategy, it says reading rate. Read along smoothly with the rhythm and rhyme of this nonfiction poem. Slow down to read important information. So, one way to become a good reader is to pay attention to what you are reading about and to change how fast you read. Sometimes readers read too quickly and don't understand what you are reading. So you need to, if you know that this is happening, you can go back and reread more slowly. All right. So Plants Can't Jump by Ned Crowley. So this, you are reading a nonfiction selection about plants. Nonfiction selections tells true things. All right. So what you can do is plants need to be cared for, and we're going to be learning more about plants in our selection. So let's start reading on page 108. Plants can't jump. Plants can't hop. Just add water and up they pop. So what can't plants do? Well, we know plants can't hop and plants can't jump. So why do plants pop up when you give them water? Well, water makes the plants grow. So why do you think the author made the last words on these 2 pages rhyme? Well, to make the story fun to read. And do you know what 2 words rhyme? Yeah, hop and pop. Good job. And do you see any words that have the short sound, the short U sound? Yeah, I see jump and up and just. All right, let's keep reading. Roots grow down, stems grow up. Plants can look like bells and cups. So what is a bit of information you learned from these pages? I learned that roots grow down, and I learned that stems grow up. So how do the photographs on page 111 help you understand the words? Well, I read that plants can look like bells and cups, and the photographs showed that they really do. All right, let's keep reading. Plants have spots and dots and bumps. Plants can be thin, plants can be plump. So do you see any short U sounds? Yeah, I hear bump, bump, and plump. All right, so what are 2 ways plants can be different? Well, plants can be thin or they can be plump. And then what is a detail about plants that you learn on these 2 pages? I learned that plants can have